Oh, Yogi, what'd you delete? My wife doesn't go take that scrap over there. She's not drove the tractor very many times. Look at her go. Now she's not gonna get it there fast, y'all, but she's gonna get there. Get that thing some gas. Give us some gas. How you in low range? Hey, babe. Hang on. Hey. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Push past the clutch. You're going to kill it. That's clutch. You know that. You're in gear. It's not automatic. Alright. Should be in faster gear now.